Hi guys, I'm your physics lecturer. My name is Sayyid Zahir. I'm going to giving here intermediate physics first year and second year both because of after 3 months you will have your final exams. That's why I'm going to giving here most important question which are can become in the final exam. Those who are going to prepare these questions, those who are going to listen carefully with these questions, definitely 100% they will get here 60 out of 60. Yes guys, see here intermediate first year I am taking here first LAQs. These LAQs it can be consist here from 6th chapter, 8th chapter and 12th chapter. In 6th chapter we are having here 3 LAQs. In 6th chapter we are having here 3 LAQs. In that one, first one we are taking here work energy theorem. What is that question sir means? Write the notation of work. Write the notation of work means definition and kinetic energy. Here also definition and formula. And next work energy theorem. We have to prove that one. And next one we have to take here first question and first topic is most important 8-mark question. This one also. First topic is work. What is work? Everyone you know about the work, but suppose if we can ask that question to the students, they are not giving briefly information. They are not express that work because of everyone they know very well. See here, work. What is work? Work means students are telling calm. What is calm? Work means nothing but the product of force and displacement is known as work. The product of force and displacement is known as work. W is equals to F dot S. W is equals to F dot S. Here F is the force and S is the displacement. How is that possible sir? Means see here, let us consider we are taking here one object. That object mass is M. This object it has a constant position. Whenever we are applying the force on this body, whenever we are applying the force on this body or on this object can be moved from one place to another place along the direction of force. Along the direction of force. So when we are applying the force we are taking here, and the body can be moved from one place to another place means nothing but it has some displacement. So this is known as here work. W is equals to F dot S. And again we can write here, whenever we have to remove here dot, we will get here cos angle. In dot product we are taking, dot product means it can be considered here scalar quantity, scalar product. Okay, dot product, whenever we have to remove the dot here, we will get here Fs cos theta. Fs cos theta. According to the Newton's second law, F is equals to ma. That one also we have to apply in this formula. These formulas are very important for the NEET, MSET and wherever we are going to write that exams. In each and exams, definitely they will get to in physics problems. For the problems, these formulas are very useful to you. And also see here, W is equals to Fs cos theta. Work is a scalar quantity. Work is a scalar quantity. Work is a scalar quantity. Sir, what is a scalar quantity? Scalar quantity means nothing but it has only magnitude. There is no direction. It has only magnitude. There is no direction. That is called here scalar quantity. And now see here, units. Units in SI system. SI system or MKS system. We can write the units for the force Newton and for the displacement meter. And same as it is units for the in CGS system, because of here units, direct units also is available for the work. What is that units are means? Joule. These are the direct units for the work. And for the CGS system, we are having in CGS system we are having units for the work. For the force we are having units dyne. For the displacement we are having here centimeter. Dyne, centimeter are here joule. Means in CGS system the direct units are erg. So simply we can write here 1 joule is equals to 1 joule is equals to 10 to the power 7 erg. 1 joule is equals to 10 to the power 7 erg. And also we can take here 1 Newton equals to how many down? 1 Newton is equals to how many dynes? So that is a 10 to the power 5 dyne. That is a 10 to the power 5 dyne. These are the units for the work, and in MKS system or SI system, in CGS system, units and direct units also. And these are the two values which are we are taking. See, 1 joule is equals to how many ergs, 1 Newton equals to how many dynes? 10 to the power 7 erg and 10 to the power 5 dynes. Okay, and now we are going to take here kinetic energy. Before the kinetic energy, this work, it has here three, when it is 0, when it is maximum value, when it is minimum value, and when it is 0. See here. See here, in this one we are having three types of case because of this work either positive, negative or 0. And when it is positive, when it is negative, when it is 0, that is the most important for the 2 marks questions. He is giving here unexpected questions. That type of questions it can become from the middle of the 4 marks or electives, and middle of the topics it can become that type of questions. So see here case 1. First case. In that first case, if theta value is, if 0 less than or equals to theta and less than 90 degrees, means nothing but we can write here theta value is which is 0 less than or equals to theta or less than 90 degrees. So less than 90 degrees we have to take here theta value. Then suppose this value if we can substitute in that work formula, see, W is equals to Fs cos theta. Suppose if we can take here theta is equals to 0 because of 0 less than or equal. So theta is equals to 0, if we can substitute replace of theta, then W is equals to Fs cos 0. Cos 0, what is the cos 0 angle? Since we are having here cos 0 is equals to 1. Okay, and now we can substitute here W is equals to Fs into 1. So W is equals to Fs. When it is, this is a maximum value because of see here cos 0 value is 1. Okay, and W is equals to Fs. Okay, now here best example for it. So when the Fs value is positive, then work also positive. Means whenever you have to take the here theta is equals to 0. Here angle is, here cos theta is positive, then automatically sir work also positive. And now we have to take here best example. Let us consider we are taking here one bucket. That bucket lifting from a well. One bucket lifting from a well. The lifting force and the displacement of the bucket. The bucket it can move upward direction and lifting force also upward direction. Whenever it can become here both are upward direction. Both are positive only. Work is positive. Work said to be here positive. Because of see, when we are lifting the bucket from the well, lifting force is upward. The bucket it can move upward direction. Both are in the same direction. That's why the theta value is here positive. When the cos theta is positive, then both also positive. And next, in the second case, if theta value is, it is 90 less than, theta less than 80 degrees. 90 less than, theta less than 180 degrees. So here theta is, means cos theta is negative, then work also negative. So how is that possible? If you can take here, we can take here theta less than or equals to 180. Suppose if we can take here, see, W is equals to Fs cos theta. Then again, W is equals to Fs cos of theta value is here 180 degrees. Then again, W is equals to Fs cos of 180 means nothing but we are having answer is -1. So minus into Fs, W is equals to minus Fs, obviously. W is equals to minus Fs. So here cos theta is negative, then work also negative. Here best example is, what is the example for it? The example is, whenever the lifting force is upward, same as it is, when a bucket can be lifting from a well, the lifting force is upward, but the gravitational force is, it can be work downward direction. So one is a for applied force is will be work upward direction, and the bucket, the gravitational force will be downward direction. Both are in opposite direction, that's why we are taking here negative, minus. Okay, and now we can take here, see, so that's why the cos theta is negative, then work should also negative. Both are in the same direction. Both are in the same direction means we are taking here positive. Here both are in opposite direction, nothing but we are taking here negative. So why we are taking here 180 degrees sir, means one it can be move upward direction, another one it can be move downward direction. Means nothing but it can be formed here one straight line, straight angle. What is the angle of straight line? 180 degrees. So that's why we are taking here theta is equals to 180 degrees. And in the third case, this is the most important. You will have 2 marks question also in third case. What is the third case? Suppose if theta value is 90 degrees. Suppose if theta value is 90 degrees, then what is the work? Then work is W is equals to Fs cos theta. Then again W is equals to Fs cos of theta value is 90 degrees. Then is equals to Fs cos 90 value is 0. 0 into something 0. So this is the work is 0. When the theta value is equals to 90 degrees. And example for it. What is that example sir means? See here, suppose a person carrying a load on his head. Suppose a person carrying a load on his head. For example, this is a person. Okay? This is a person. He is carrying a load on his head. Again, this person, he will be traveling along the straight road. Along the straight road. Now we can compare, see here. Now you can compare, see here, when a person he is carrying his load on his head and he is traveling along the straight road, so it can be formed here, how many degrees sir means? 90 degrees angle. When it can be formed 90 degrees angle, so the cos theta value is here 0 because of cos 90 is 0. Then work should also 0. So that's why we are taking here, see, if theta is equals to 90 degrees, the person he should not done here any work. Even he is lifting each and every, more luggage. Okay, then from this formula what we are going to tell here, the person he does not work. Okay, this is the third case. In the third case, another one also is there. If force value, if force or displacement, any one is 0. Suppose the displacement is 0. How is that possible? Same here also. When a person he is lifting his leg, when a person he is carrying a luggage on his head and he is not moving from one place to another place, then the displacement is 0. When the displacement is 0, then work should be done. It is a maximum or minimum? This is a maximum because of cos 0, 1. But the displacement s is equals to 0. This is the work should be done here 0 because of we are having formula W is equals to Fs cos theta. Here F value or S value, anyone if we can substitute replace of F and S. Say see F into 0 into cos theta, 0 into something, completely you will get here 0. Remember, when the angle theta is equals to 0, then work should be maximum, and when the displacement or force is equals to 0, then the work should be done here, the work should be not done because the work is 0. There is no work. If there is no displacement, there is no work. Compulsory is required here motion. Okay, and now this is only about the work. What is work? I write it units and dimensions also is there. So what are the dimensions for the work, sir? Means W is equals to F dot S. So here W is equals to the dimensional formula for the force is M L T power minus 2 into for the displacement L. So M L into L square T power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula DF. Dimensional formula for the work is M L square T power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula. Okay guys, and next one, in that one only again another one topic, kinetic energy. What is that? Kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. So what is kinetic energy? Actually, energy, it has here two types. In this chapter we are having here two types of energy. One is the kinetic energy, another one is the potential energy. So after this we are going to tell that potential energy about that. See, first of all we are taking here kinetic energy. What is that kinetic energy, sir? Means the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. So here it is required motion. If there is no motion, that is not a kinetic energy. Okay, see here, kinetic energy means formula directly I am writing here half mv square. How can we write this one, sir? Means let us consider you can take the one object. Best example, you can take the one car. That car in that mass, the mass of the car is m. See, any one object if you can take here, that object mass is m. Definitely it is required here motion. Motion means compulsory it can be moved from one place to another place. So the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. Compulsory it is required here motion. Motion means nothing but it is a velocity or speed, whatever it is. So here V is a velocity, half mv square. That is the formula for the kinetic energy. And same here also. For the kinetic energy we are having a dimensional formula for the units. Energy means nothing but joule in SI system. In CGS system we are having energy means erg. Okay, in CGS system also erg. And next one, the dimensional formula for the kinetic energy is half. We can't be able to write the dimensional formula for the constant, so we have to remove the constant values. And for the mass we have to write the dimensional formula is capital M. And for the velocity we have to write the dimensional formula is LT power minus 1. Square is there, so that's why we are writing here square. So this is the dimensional formula M. Square it is belongs to for both length and time. So we can write L square and T power minus 2. Here M means nothing but mass, L means nothing but length, and T means nothing but time. This is the dimensional formula M L square T power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula for kinetic energy. And now next one we can write here work energy theorem. work energy theorem. What is work energy theorem? First of all, work energy theorem means nothing but the difference between two types of kinetic energies. Means the difference between final kinetic energy and initial kinetic energy. That is called here work energy theorem. So W is equals to Kf minus Ki. Kf minus Ki means final kinetic, the difference between final kinetic energy and initial kinetic energy. That is called here work energy theorem. This work energy theorem we have to prove. How can we prove, sir? Means let us consider we are taking here one object. That object mass is m. It is moving with velocities, two types of velocities. Initial velocity is u and final after some time the final velocity is v. So we can take here initial velocity is u and final velocity is v. We are taking here two types of velocities and the mass of the object is m. And now we can take here from kinematic equation, kinematic second equation, v square minus u square is equals to 2as. And again for this equation both side multiplied and divide by half m. Multiplied and divide by half m. So for this equation we can write here half m into v square minus u square is equals to half m into 2as. Just we have to both sides we are multiplied by only multiply. Both sides multiplied by half m. Both sides multiplied by half m. So half m into v square minus u square equals to 2as is equals to half m into 2as. Here 2 cancel. So half m into v square, half m v square minus half m into u square, half m u square is equals to m into as. Both are will be multiplying, so we can directly write here mas. Then again we can write here half mv square means nothing but this is the final kinetic energy kef minus kei, because